My name is Harish Wadhwa, and I am from the FieldComm Group India Society. We are an association of the vendors and manufacturers of products in the field of process control instrumentation. We are delighted to be a part of the Automation 2025, Expo 2025. In fact, we have been participating in automation for quite some time now. It just not gives a good exposure to the activities that we do, but in a way we also get to connect and disseminate information about the FieldComm Group technologies to various vendors. So it's a pleasure for us to be a part of Automation 2025. Thank you.